Alright, so we've come to this Ford Falcon. This is a BF. It is a build of March 2006 and it's got a steering lock problem. The key goes in. It's a little bit average, the actual barrel itself, but the back of the ignition has come off. And this one looks to be in reasonable condition where we'll be able to put the switch actually back on here, so this customer won't need the aftermarket housing. By the looks of the condition, the spring return is okay, it is intact. So we'll put this back together. It'll take roughly, I don't know, about an hour and a half just to put this back together, but if he did need the housing, it would be an extra $180 on top of that for the part. Basically $140 for the part and $40 for fitting, and we will get into it. And okay, so everything is back to normal, and let's see if she starts. Feeling the right resistance. It's clicking, first stage, second stage, and it's clicking back. So we'll just try it one more time. So turn it off. Pull key out. It's working. Perfect. Another Ford done. Thanks for watching.